What is going on, everybody? We've had a really weird, warm, late fall in Massachusetts, and we've got this really weird 60-degree late November day. Pretty sure all the ski resorts were open at this time last year. So I'm giving Western Massachusetts, awesome little river in Western Massachusetts, a go right now. It's been a really tough year, you know, we had this really bad drought. The spring was killer. And then in the middle of the summer we got this really bad drought, and since then all the rivers dried up. I had a really slow bite. There was a few rivers that had pretty good bites in Mass, but they were a little far from me. But there's a few rivers left in Massachusetts that are in the late fall that are pretty good, so I'm gonna give it a go right now. We know we had a really slow summer, really slow fall, great spring, but now we're here in gorgeous Western Massachusetts. We're gonna try to hook up with a few rainbows, so here we go. All right, we are on first fish of the day. Let's get this little rainbow. Sorry if I didn't get that set right there. I was not thinking I was gonna hook up on the first fish of the day. Okay. All right, guys, nice rainbow. Here we go. First cast of the day, everybody. First cast of the day. Wow, love the colors on that one, man. Great colors. Oh, that's a nice one, actually. Not a bad rainbow at all. Beautiful fish. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and release this guy. All right, first fish, first cast. It's always a good sign. I'm just rocking a woolly bugger right now. This is only my second season fishing, so I'm kind of just playing it safe with the woolly bugger. That's kind of a year-round, great fly to use. And as the years go on, I'll try some new flies. But right now, the woolly bugger's a good fly for new fly fishermen. I'm just a new fly fisherman. I'm just kind of learning new things every time I go. Pulled one fish out of that last spot. Feeling pretty good because it's chilly out. Last winter was not a successful fishing season for the winter for fly fishing, so I'm feeling pretty good. It's not the winter yet, but it's chilly out, so I'm feeling good at least. I know they're biting. Ow. Let it sit, let it sit. Oh, he took it, he wanted it. He was right there and he wanted that streamer. Oh, he wanted it. I saw him too. There we go. Oh, okay. Nice rainbow on the woolly bugger. Oh, what a beautiful day, guys. It is 60 degrees in November. Cannot complain. Not bad at all. All right, let's let this guy go. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. All right, all right. Nice catch and release. I think the streamer might do the trick. Get it way out there. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. Got a fighter. Got a fighter. And that's a brown trout. And it's a brown trout because he's sitting down. No, rainbow, wow. He was sitting down like a brown. Yeah, I think I foul hooked him. Yep. Still went for it, I think. Also, just have to shout out that that was my first ever solo catch on a streamer. Have not been able to do it until right now, so I'm pretty stoked. That was a pretty good little rainbow, not maybe like 16 inches, but again, this is my second season fishing. It was a terrible summer and fall, so I am so pumped that the fish are biting here in mid-November. So I'm gonna keep going. We got a few hours left of daylight, but I'm having a good time right now. Let's go. Alright, so all in all, not a bad day at all. We got 3 rainbows. I had a big one hit a streamer. I had one hit the indicator, which I was not expecting in this cold weather. But it was a great day. I can't believe we had a 60-degree day in Massachusetts in mid-November. It was so nice out, and I just really need to get out. I'm hopefully going to do more fishing, do more videos over the winter, and really get my streamer game going. But it was a really beautiful day. Massachusetts and New England has fantastic flat fishing, and next year is going to be my 3rd season, so next year I'm going to go real hard with the flat fishing, and I can't wait because flat fishing is awesome.